All right, guys. So let's have our daily analysis for today and see how we could have caught some of the moves. All right, how you could have caught some of the moves in the market so far. So let's look at odd USD. Let's just pick one. So as usual, we go to our chart, then we go to 15 minutes time frame. That's what we'll have to locate. All right. So once you locate your 15 minutes time frame, remember what we are looking for. We have to look for a change of character. All right. And then an overpowering, a change of character and an overpowering. That's what we are looking for. So let's just move to a random place on the chart and look for an opportunity. So we see how we can identify opportunities in the market using our overpower strategy. Okay. So let's scroll. We're looking for an overpowering. Okay. So I see something here. So if you look here, the market was going down. It went down, came up, went down, came up, went down again, came up, went down, right? So if you look here, a change of character would occur where? Would occur somewhere here. The market went up here, came down, went up here, came down, went up here, came down. So our change of character would, you can say it occurs somewhere here. Because once this level was broken, instead of uh going down when it retraced, okay, it went and broke this area. So let's mark it out with our rectangle. So this area was broken. So once this area was broken, all right, that formed a change of character. All right. So our next question would be, was there an overpowering? And if we look down here, we see an overpowering here. You see this engulfing as usual. This is a good engulfing. All right. The red candle is big enough compared to the body is big, is at least twice that of the green candle. So telling us that at this level, sellers were in control of the market. They had a lot of power, okay, pushing the market down, okay. So what that is telling us is that if sellers were strong enough to push the market down this way, that if buyers become strong enough to overpower these strong sellers, then buyers are now in control of the market. All right. Now, coupled with our change of character, then our strategy says that the market is going to move up at least as much as it moved down. So this is how much it moved down. We simply take it and we measure it up to here. You see how much it moved up. Now remember, the market most times will continue going. It will move a lot higher. However, we are looking for, our strategy is looking for something that is sure. Okay? This is something we can always be sure of. So you see that our strategy just showed us a great opportunity here in the market in odd USD. Now, let's take a look at another opportunity and we can analyze other orders. Now look at this here. The market went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, all right? How did it keep going down here? If we look here, there was a change of character here, all right? Because here, this level was broken. Once this level was broken, that shows us that that's a change of character occurred. You see this level. Once it was broken, that's a change of character for here because it went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down. Instead of going up, it broke this level. So a change of character. Then we look at this move that went up here. Was there an overpowering? And the answer is yes. Look at this engulfing here. See this engulfing? In fact, we have multiple, but this is a group engulfing. So it now tells us that since we have an overpowering of buyers coupled with a change of character, that the market is going to move down at least as much as it moved up. Simply measure this and bring it down. And that's our sweet gain right here. Yeah, great. So let's look at another pair apart from this, let's look at GBP card, right? So if you look at this, this is the market currently. So let's make it bigger. The market is moving. But if we go back, let's go back here because I see an opportunity here already. If you look here, the market was going up. The market came down, moved up, broke this level, came down, moved up, came down, moved up. And then what happened? There was a change of character at this level. You see this level? That was a change of character here. We see a change of character right here. Right? Once this level was broken, that gave us a change of character. Then we look up here. Was there an overpowering? Yes. I see an engulfing here. See this engulfing? Buyers were overpowered, coupled with our change of character. Then it tells us, our strategy says that the market is going to move down at least as much as it moved up. Okay? And that's our gain right there. All right? And let's look for another opportunity. Look at this one again. The market went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, right? And there was a change of character right here. Okay? I see a change of character right here at this level. Once it was broken, this area was broken. That was a change of character. Next question is, was there an overpowering? And the answer is yes. Where do I see that? I see an overpowering here. You see this engulfing candle here? That's an overpowering right there. Okay? So it now tells us that our market is going to move down at least as much as it moved up. So while it was consolidating here, you could have been loading up your orders, all right? Because we were sure of what was going to happen here. Okay. Okay. So I believe that's it for today. And tomorrow we're going to continue with our analysis as usual. So if you have any questions, leave it in a comment and we can talk about it. Thank you.